Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We'll continue. 5.9. That was the last things we did. Now we want to do this limit. It goes to 1, x minus 1, cotan hyperbolic, then x. Okay, let me check. That will be limit. It goes to 1, x minus 1. What is cotan hyperbolic, then x? That will be e, then x. That will be sine hyperbolic ln x. So plus e is minus ln x over e to the power ln x over sine hyperbolic minus e to the power minus ln x. Huh? We know that cotan hyperbolic of ln x is cosine hyperbolic ln x over sine hyperbolic ln x. Okay, and that is what? Ax e is ln x. E is ln x over 2 over this. This is minus over 2 cancelled, so I'm getting this. Okay, so that will be limit. This goes to 1, x minus 1. What I have here? You have times this is x plus 1 over x minus 1 over x. In other words, this is limit. X goes to 1, x minus 1, x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 1. Okay, and that will be limit. X goes to 1, x minus 1, x squared plus 1. This is x minus 1 times x plus 1. This is cancelled. Substitute. You got 2 over 2, which is 1. So this is that. Okay, so just I substitute it, do the calculations, then factoring to do like the limit like in 2.3. Okay, I want y prime. First I simplify y. Y is what? 1 plus ex plus is minus x. No, it's sine. That will be minus. Sorry. That will be minus over e to the power x plus is minus x over 1 minus ex is minus x over ax plus is minus x. I'm dealing with y. Until now, I did not do any derivative. Huh? So that will be e to the power x plus is minus x plus e to the power x minus is minus x over e to the power x plus is minus x, which will be cancelled by the one in the denominator. So no need to waste time. This is minus ax plus is minus x. So this is cancelled, and this one cancelled. So I have 2e to the power x over 2e minus x. 2 cancelled, so I have e to x. Okay, so it will be y prime. It will be 2e to x. What will be y prime at ln 2? That will be 2e2 ln 2. That will be 2e. This will go as a power ln 4. That will be 2 times 4, which is 8. So this is my answer. If x equal ln of this, then find the prime at 5. Be careful. These things you need always to remember. This is what? E to the power x. So that will be ln e to the power x, which is x. So my f of x is x, only x. F prime at x will be 1. F prime at ln 5 or at 5 is also 1, since the function f prime is only the constant function 1. Y equal this, find y prime. Yeah. I need to do this. You notice 1 plus tan hyperbolic x over 1 minus tan hyperbolic x. So we did it before. You notice it here, the same one. I'm getting what? E to the power 2x. That is e to the power 2x. That's it. So my y square root e to the power 2x, which is e to the power x. This is my y. Y prime is e to the power x. Y prime at 0, e to the power 0, which is 1. So this is the main thing. That is 1. The slope tangent line to the graph of this at the point this. So what I need to do implicit differentiation. Tan hyperbolic, that means secant hyperbolic square x plus y times 1 plus y prime. Plus here I have product rule. Derivative of x is 1 cosine hyperbolic y plus x sine hyperbolic y, y prime. That should equal to 0. I have the point 0, 0. So I have secant hyperbolic 0. Secant hyperbolic square at 0 times 1 plus y prime. Cosine hyperbolic y, which is cosine hyperbolic 0, plus 0, that would be 0, equal 0. Okay. Secant hyperbolic 0 is 1, so I have 1 plus y prime. Cosine hyperbolic at 0 is 1 also, equal to 0. So y prime equals minus 2. And that's minus 2. F of t is cosine hyperbolic square. Find f 20. Okay. Let's see the pattern. Okay. F of t is cosine hyperbolic square. T. What will be f prime? That will be 2 cosine hyperbolic t times sine hyperbolic t. Now I lose the product. No need. This one is what? This one is sine hyperbolic 2t. So f double prime will be what? 2 cosine hyperbolic 2t. F triple, that will be 2 times sine hyperbolic 2t times 2. So it's 2 square sine hyperbolic 2t. The fourth derivative, just to be sure, it will be 2 cubed cosine hyperbolic 2t. What they want? They want f 20 at t, which will be what? If you notice, go like that, sine, cosine, sine, cosine. So the odd give me sine, the even give me cosine. But I have 2 to the power, not n minus 1. So I have 20, that will be 2 to the power 2019. As I said, this is n minus 1. Huh? With 3, I have 2. Yeah. With 2, I have 2 to the power 1. Huh? And with 1, I have 2 to the power 0. It's okay. Now, the pattern starts from here. Now, 20, even, the even, I have the cosine. The odd, I'm having the sine. So this is even, so I have cosine 2t. So what is f 20 at 0? I know the cosine hyperbolic of 0 is 1, so that 2 to the power 2019. What about f 2021 at t? It will be 2 to 20. That is odd, so I'll go with the sine. Sine hyperbolic 2t. Now, what is f 2021 at 0? You want to check at 0. That will be 2 to 20 times 0. Sine hyperbolic of 0 is 0, so that give me 0. So this one give me what? 2 to 2019 minus 0, so that 2 to 2020, which is this. Okay, let x equal this. Find the slope of the secant line. I want to find the slope of what? Secant line. So the slope of the secant will be f of a minus this one 0 delta y over delta x over a minus 0. What is f of a? Notice this one I can simplify as what? That will be f of x is e to the power x plus es minus x over 2 minus es minus x. If you notice, this is what? E to the power x over 2 plus half es minus x minus es minus x. And that gives me e to the power x plus 2 minus es minus x over 2. And that is what? That is sine hyperbolic x. So f of x is sine hyperbolic x. So f of a will be sine hyperbolic a over a. That will be the answer. Fx tan inverse of tan hyperbolic of tan. Okay, who cares? F prime will be what? 1 over 1. This is tan inverse of u. This is u square. Okay. Times derivative of this, which is secant hyperbolic square of tan x, times derivative of tan, which is secant square x. Okay. Now I need to find it at 0. That will be 1 over 1 plus tan hyperbolic. Tan 0 is 0. Don't forget the square. Times secant hyperbolic square. Tan 0 is 0. Secant square 0 is 1. I know this is 1. What about tan hyperbolic at 0? Tan hyperbolic at 0, it will be sine hyperbolic at 0 over cosine hyperbolic at 0. I know this is 0 over 1, so that is 0. So this one will be 1 over 1 plus 0 square, which is 0, times secant hyperbolic. I know it's 1 over cosine, which is 1, times 1. So the answer is 1. This is my answer. Sine hyperbolic of length 3 minus cosine hyperbolic of length 3. Be careful. This is what? I know in the cosine hyperbolic x minus sine hyperbolic x, that is e to the power minus x. That means sine hyperbolic minus cosine hyperbolic would be minus e minus x. Just multiply by minus. So this one is equal to, this is e plus minus e plus minus length 3. All cubed. That will be minus e plus ln 1 over 3 cubed. That will be minus 1 over 3 cubed, which is minus 1 over 3. If x equal to hyperbolic of sine hyperbolic, find f prime at 0. Okay. F prime would be what? Would be secant hyperbolic square at sine hyperbolic x times cosine hyperbolic x. So at 0, that will be secant hyperbolic square at sine hyperbolic at 0 times cosine hyperbolic at 0. That will be secant hyperbolic square at 0, I mean. Sine hyperbolic at 0 is 0. This is 1, cosine hyperbolic is 1. And this is also 1. So 1 squared times 1, that will be 1. So the answer is 1. Okay. Find the slope of tangent line to the curve of this curve. Lane of cosine hyperbolic at x equal ln 2. So I need to find the slope. I need to find m tangent is f prime at ln 2. So find f prime. That give me what? 1 over cosine hyperbolic x times its derivative. So I'm getting tan hyperbolic x. Okay. I need to find f prime at ln 2. That will be e ln 2, which is tan hyperbolic. Tan hyperbolic ln 2. And that will be e ln 2 sine hyperbolic, which is minus e ln 2 over e ln 2 plus Sine over 2 cancel 2 with 2. So that will be 2 minus half over 2 plus half. That will be 3 over 2 over 5 over 2. That will be 3 over 4. That will be my answer. If x equal of secant theta plus tan theta, find cosine hyperbolic of x. Okay. So I need to find what is x first. Then find cosine hyperbolic of this. Yeah, cosine hyperbolic of x. I cannot simplify this. Can I simplify this one? No. But cosine hyperbolic of x is e to the power x plus e is minus x over 2. What is x? X is all of this plus e to the power minus ln of this over 2. E to the power ln something, that will be the something, plus here this one as well as a power, so I have 1 over secant theta plus tan theta all over 2. Do the calculations, what you will get. This is over 1. So you have secant square theta plus 2 secant theta tan theta plus tan square theta plus 1 over 2. Okay, I know in 1 plus tan square equals secant square. So this is secant square. So I have 2 secant theta times what? E to the power x, yeah. It will be 2. Let me do it in steps. That will be 2 secant square theta plus 2 secant theta tan theta over 2. That give me what? I take 2 secant theta common factor. I have secant plus tan over 2. Okay, this is cancelled. I have secant times secant plus tan. I plug the x here. E to the power x, e to the power ln of this, plus e to the power minus ln of this. Okay. So it will be 1 over. Yeah. Calculation. Be careful here. I need a space. I think I need a space. Let me make it here to give more space. That will be secant theta plus tan theta plus 1 over secant theta plus tan theta over 2. Plus, this will be what? That will be careful. Secant theta plus tan theta square plus 1 over 2 secant theta plus tan theta. Yeah. Just give more space. That will be secant square plus 2 secant tan theta plus tan square theta plus 1 over 2 secant theta plus tan theta. This is secant square. So you have 2 secant square theta plus 2 secant theta tan theta over this. So you can take 2 secant theta common factor. Yeah, I need the space. So I'll do it here. 2 secant theta common factor. So I have secant theta plus tan theta, all of this over this. This is cancelled. This is cancelled. I'm getting secant theta. Just this. Yeah. Calculation, be careful. I need space to do it. F of theta equal this, find f prime at 0. Remember this? We did it before. Yeah, we said this is e to the power 2x. So I don't need to do it again. F of theta will be e to the power 2 theta. What will be f prime at theta? It will be 2 e2 theta. What is f prime at 0? That will be 2 e to the power 0, which is 2. So this is the answer. If x equal cosine hyperbolic ln x, find f prime at 1 over 5. Okay. What is f prime? Will be sine hyperbolic ln x times 1 over x. Okay. Is it? Yeah. Sine hyperbolic of u times derivative of u. Now f prime at 1 over 5, that will be sine hyperbolic of ln 1 over 5 times 1 over 1 over 5. So that will be 5 sine hyperbolic ln 1 over 5. That will be what? E to the power ln 1 over 5 minus e to the power minus ln 1 over 5 over 2. That will be 5 times 1 over 5. Take this, that will be 5 over 2. That will be 5. 1 minus 25 over 10. That will be what? Minus 24 over 2, which is minus 12. Okay. I know I saw this question before, but I'm doing it now in a different way. Last time we simplify this, then we differentiate. Now I'm doing the derivative, then do the simplification. Okay. The function has a relative minimum, relative maximum. Then I need to find the f prime and check the signs. What will be f prime? Quotient in a product rule. Derivative of x is 1, so I have sine hyperbolic x minus 1 plus x cosine hyperbolic x minus 1 minus sine hyperbolic x minus 1. This is cancelled, so I have x cosine hyperbolic x minus 1. That will be f prime. Okay. I want to check when f prime is equal to 0. So I'm getting x cosine hyperbolic x minus 1 equal to 0. X equals 0. That implies or cosine hyperbolic x minus 1 equal to 0. This is impossible because I know cosine hyperbolic is from 1 to infinity. So I have only x equals 0. Check, do you have change of sign? Yes. Before, this is always positive. So I have this is negative, this is positive, decreasing, increasing. So I have only one relative in one relative. What is this? Okay. And this limit, I think I need to do it as well to do it. But let me do it. Okay. If I change everything into exponential, I'm getting what? e to the power x minus is minus x over 2 minus x over x cubed. So my question is limit x goes to 0, e to the power x minus is minus x minus 2x over 2x cubed. Okay. Now if I substitute, you will get what? 0 over 0. So I can use Repeater's rule to get this. E to the power x plus is minus x minus 2 over 6x squared. Now we substitute, you will get what? 0 over 0 still. So do it again. Limit x goes to 0. E to the power x minus is minus x over 12x. Substitute, we'll get what? 0 over 0. Do it again. I'm getting limit x goes to 0. E to the power x plus is minus x over 12. Substitute, we're getting 1 plus 1 over 12, which is 1 over 6. So just say substitute, sign hyperbolic, and then I do Leibniz's rule. Huh? All of this is Leibniz's rule. Leibniz's rule. Okay, I think you know that's going to be 1 over 6. What statement was about this function? Yeah. If prime is this is correct. It's increasing in all its domain. Yeah, remember this is the graph, so it's okay. Odd function passing through the origin. Okay. 2 horizontal asymptotes. Yeah, I know there is 2 horizontal asymptotes, something like this. Function is doing something like this. Huh? Like, yeah. Now, f of ln x, that will be e ln x minus is minus ln x over ln x plus is minus ln x. That will be x minus 1 over x plus 1 over x. That will be x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 1, which is wrong. This is my mistake. This is the false statement. You make it the opposite, the reciprocal of this.